omo ahwe ya ensembe piepie say Mr. President ahwe ya eniema ebe pie ewo Ken Ofori Atta asem mu no bro me bobie I have been advocating say OSP office no wa muntum pam no twa no but eniema yet any de yehu any the kind of things we are reading enya public o the things we are reading on the quiet no wan hwe yi a epia bontin boom and akato na brosei ya Ken Ofori Atta sum krofo afidie adu akiri yes wasum krofo afidie adu akiri eje boom a wan hwe yi a eni amanfo be advocate say yentoto central government num na Ghana ye ni ye ho so period because amanfo for reason why omo de call eye post ekoto aba amanfo reason why for 8 years we stood behind John Mahama enye se ni eni adwuma yo enye se mi bobie na menim se John Mahama wi ni a se be one ne ma ene na busuafo ne be fili o won be fili a cheme na yenim na ye aware but some of us be bia na oman no direction no ekono na yesuro ma ye ma a future. And that is why we fought with everything. Intini ya de ye kra ye sunsum ye bibia tisi mu se no se enye JMPO enye NDC a we won't allow anybody to run the country like this. But for now, you benya abotre. Me question is say cases for akano. And this ya ban betimi my updates. And answer nyina no eye ye no so ye OSP ntiem fanhye no. Say SML no ne ani abrewo because Ken Ofori Atta issues no eye more than the SML. Identity na SML no kwa na ye gina ho saa. For that can he for na investigations no. Why are they not updating us? Why are they not saying anything? Aya here for na investigate sir and phone. We want to know. Ghanaians want to know. The street want to know. Ambulance case, PDS case, P-Fan case, me pamacho, yes, Ramo. I am here for now. Me makopia de biso, and I want to ask na yenu penny Attorney General Mwaye. Kwame, from what we are hearing, the OSP are providing all the information. In fact, the OSP, there's a mistrust between the OSP office and the Attorney General office. Yes, there is a mistrust. As to why, I don't know. But the yet to say, OSP office no, one also what documents be, or one near maybe shishawa. A year one from AG office. Any other conversations, and a AG no say one also who OSP no. But according to sources, not they were friends. Ya kwa se baako nim baako. Obia nim ni yonko. Ana is either say baako nim baako. Ana ase oya sro oya. Ana ase oya hu oya. Ana ase o cha baako nim baako. Baby ade na keka kono. Because Kwame efri nra ya na yo. Amanfo na yo. Efri nra amanfo na he. Nyame mpangu se ebaso obi beso NDC abamu di ahwefom a me bobie enyamea but ebia na menim baabi ebefiri aba maka me ye Ghana ni first ansa na me be ya NDC ni me ye Ghana ni first ansa na me be ya NDC ni. I don't have any problem with ye dim kobobo bie ba mummy anka ya nuntu me I don't have any problem ubu omani ya wasem bobie dia mama ne ben bebre a da bia no let's do what is right aso no nkwana or integrity me ni integrity o me wakwa me fa so di me bone ba me bone a me di no me ndi ntia state me ni integrity ba kokra yes ba me ni me bone a me di no me ndi ntia state me di tia me a me ni padua ya ne dia nya wasem me ni padua no enye state dia me bone a me di no me di tia me a me ni padua emfa ho but so who di bone tia state I have a problem. Madeso am de nam wiase nyina e ma bobie nsia mama ne me ham de ma ne nyina chiri wan kakra sa asem ni nyina no but en America no se obi be so ade num de ahwefom a e bia na anya me kwabna na anya me so da awrade ma ne mpare me da na bia ne anim ba bia e be firi aba because and me must say OSP and I think the Attorney General ono mining kasabio yebesre no ono mining kasabio we want to understand is it true say OSP the information na no so ope e wo ken ho no OSP no e the akoma no because OSP office ne say Attorney General say ohia o investigative docket wonim docket in the so OSP me aka esisu dua OSP so won fa ma ayeni ni ne emfa ma ne chana I'm telling you say ayeni ni say on fa ma ayeni ni ne on fa ma ne chana bullet points a ewom no omo yiyi mu e de ama no do ese ayeni ni ehia de ye adwuma no omo so omo de ama no right omo say omo de ama no so this afternoon we just want to understand is it true say ayenini eye age nensaka information ohia no afri OSP na Ken Ofori Atta asem no oye ne there because no say nensaka obetimi ednaba enya sa and now the question is that is it true say nensaka Attorney General saka ehifa ne adru because OSP no omo di nkomo baabi bebre baabi on bedi nkomo bia so yeto din ye hwe omo ekroma obi ni mobi o ekroma obi eni mobi and I think in this matter as you take strong interest in this matter na yantiasie ye it's so simple. And the question I hear Busano is so simple. And I like the way he says you say, what is the Attorney General's position of Ken Ofori Atta on all the issues? Why are they silent? We have 5 issues. We have 5 issues. And that 5 issues, no, we are just talking about only 1. 4 akano yanyane day. 4 na akano yanyane day. 4 na akano updates bay. 4 na akano can we know baby ayadu on Ken Ofori Atta? Me pacho Masima mitimi akano no. Menkasa ebiu on this matter. We will leave it. But enyama ebobo ebano. OSP ni efili say as a Ghana for the woman say tretre no nko ano so. But enya no nko a amanfo bi ka ho within your friend is a government. I even heard they say OSP for no say sledge God for oil no. Nanka your friend is a Remonacha Yoko for Juma and a Remonacha Anye and a OSP Yasomo and a echo ready no. That is what I'm hearing. And some no dorsal. and some no doso, and some businessmen have started recording. Enti mini Aremeyaw Atta said they now so ye journalist now nim recording no. Kai so obi nim recording chen. Montras na munim komoni yi. Moma ye nyina yanti issues na se pefe. Na ye moving on as a country. We have a reason why we stood for 8 years. Ya ye jina me John Mahama no ontua meka bosumi o. Ontua meka bosumi. Ena na me se me fiefo nyina ye MPP fo. NDC ma power emo mo nkwa appoint me fie nipa bia. Makase me busuani wom. Ena na me se Asante for nurse wo NDC mu. Enti wo mo mbenya positions na Asante for nurse no makobu akosere ni bibi na manya bi. But now I don't care about MPP because MPP is a criminal organization. But now me what GDS giving the country back to John Mahama as a person and NDC. Yeah, you safe. Some of us, you're inspirational. I did drive here, I'm for 8 years. Dear you come in our brabum no. We stood behind John Mahama and NDC 24/7. It's not saying that your name say ye young kwasi adwuma. Near Yahweh. We are aware. We knew it. We knew. But me and young kwasi adwuma mama because Sammy and come $1 e be about 20 cedis and I say 25 cedis. Sammy no and come nim baby o mind we in kadru. Kaminim fuwa prices samre baby adru enti me oka chance ma yankwase adwuma me yankwase adwuma. At least I have saved the country. Now if we have been able to save the country ya wo ade ba kwa say side to aso ade say side to aso is to safeguard the well-being of this country. Ese so on my way mu e jira ho pintin. We can do all the infrastructure works. We can do everything. Mama manfonya idea say corruption abaye edwadie ya politicians edi. One day of Ankwakwa ni expressway no. You wake up one day na nkola de atuo gina kwan no mu. Awia. Ade a wo se wo what me ayere ho aye infrastructure no one day bibi besi Ghana amani nyina asai ni asia background zero because we are not ready to allow some few people to enjoy to steal us. Na nkwaya say we kata we achi na we akata we achi. We are not ready. Entimo mayehu Mauto me ni attorney general number. Eya na ya mo se me ben ho me pacho but we a public discourse. Me jina o man mu ni nyina nam 4 cases na aka no o man yehu why na handle OSP and I say hwan ya update ni way so simple. Kwame for ministry of the na me to no on Springfield mesra mampani Kevin Otchere Springfield Oil ene aban adwadie no a omu bedi no mesra mo nhwemu yi na nkofa asemu ama Kwame Kevin Otchere ne photo ha fato ama me so ni no Kevin Otchere Spring Oil fan picture to her nefa gina po a picture to her ye besra mo ye pamochao mama nkofa a yes scandal bia ma ye hu bibia enye ye yesra mo ye pamochao now Ghana for Springfield Oil no eye obi a ye friend Kevin Otchere eye o mampani kufo faase ni office wojowulu ha ona na nse mote ya ye say Dubai authorities echi no any munsem bebre ho no enye me masem me hono bobi ansa nyame masam. Okay, going forward. Abrantie ewo oil field. On friend keep something. Come fato sontem. Now according to sources no. Okay, so we every Ministry of Energy and Green Transition, not just a NAPO. Okay. According to background information, this guy Kevin Otchere, one on West Cape 3 Point Block 2, and I think say almost or apply it in 2012, 2015, 2016, and an insakaye. Almost industry no air catcher say this guy for almost 9 years now. And to me, anya she ewo sa oil block no. Tio Kwame, this Kevin Otchere guy. That is what we are hearing from industry players, no? Now, this guy, through energy ministry, now Jinapo issue statement, catch that say, Ghana buying interested, was half filled in the Muntino, almost say, aqua to every abrantian in sem. Meanwhile, what we are hearing is that Sir Oje block no nas went me anya ho adwuma for some years here. You return it back to the state. Say Jinapo say omo kofa consultants. Any whatever transactional advisors. Omo any Kevin Otchere no be trase. Na Ghana abaya kwa akoto sa oil block no abrante we free Ghana aban ho no omo ho ka onye ho hwe yeso asika se ka wabo ye kwa akotua na yaje ye friend say oil block no afri ni nsem and the ebinum kan say free money na Jinapo no mo kwa akoche yempene ton yempene noa yempe japa di bia omo ntrase no omo hwemu ye na omo emekirekire mu nkire Ghana fo before it's too late yempe bia for now yemmo bia sobo but the amount for ka and some of us we strongly feel that this is a scandal cooking. This letter from Energy Ministry a scandal kukuba. Na edi asembeba. They should sit down. Ni yenya explanation fairly. But industry players need say your friend say Kevin Otchere any Jinapo and a person kabum a short change Ghana. We don't want to believe it. When you say, Obia, sorry, Obia, video on one. But idea, and we need to protect it. This is the Kevin Otchere guy. President Akufo Addo. I have dealt with him twice. But I'm not ready to talk about it. Because it's too personal. But I think say Yenia Jinapo minister ye best reno. Why ya there with doom so? Why ya there pa Mama bibia me for natare. Said ye bona basu doom so no. The same thing ye between aboso. I was at Springfield we containers na sem no ye ma ho. And yes bia ye refi ye remfi. But we know that the time my best strike. You rain fear. But then America no, Jinapo has done so much for Ghana when it comes to doing so. You can hate him, you can love him, whatever. You can't take that credit from this young gentleman. Yanoso enchira say onkwa na ya ayi brantefo ewa Ghana usisi modern. Nti enya o na efo tikowura osuturu mu. Yano dia yantiase. Our position is that there's anyama ye who free Springfield nimu no enya de papa. We may be wrong because yasu nipa. Mind you, anyasa bobia tiano de bobia hu bia na correct. Any na chese menso mo abodam kakra. Ye call ne say they should explain further. We need transparency. Simple. We musa de bia din bia. Obia mo obia kromfo. Ye nyandru ho. Ye keka ko ho de. Ye keka ko ho de. Ene mini GMPC 42 and akasa today, just today, Ochina, we are going to meet some oil moguls white be. We need further explanation. Yes, second in your area. Yavan komo biao. So biya obia so biya nyadwuma. We are coming to public straight any nani Ghana for because you see, we went to the people. I don't mean can't say me say me bobia and some ankobi. Ebia sata na wonu abusuafo mo ada. Ya de anim konkrofo ko catch them say we will give you transparency. Enye afei na ye ba ba kokwasa on the Springfield. Thank you Kwame. Maybe Kwame me bo me last one afriwo we dey tinitew ema me na me da kosore ya. Kwame ye say ye amanfo abuafu. Ade ye ye. Ghana ni bia o temi awia ntemi ye. Ghana ni bia ntemi ye. NDC John Mahama. Omo ba no. Na nya so omo nim problems e wo ho. Na they know. Na omo nim problems e wo ho. Now they are aware the unemployment rate. And I know JM can say me there. Once a Ghana force for no man who say Ghana done a construction site ma enye omo. Hwe Kwame. Be bia be fe bia asen. And eso mo se send kakra. Many problems say Ghana nie because Ghana for no yes so nkrofo bi graduate nurses, graduate teachers, omo call demonstrations so omo per juma unemployed, omo per juma. You sabita frache what radio so na didi sa for na tema na onim nyansa. Wonim nyansa because akola no abre en wako school. Right? E dia bedru ba bia wadru no. Why Ghana ni o deserve so obusa adwuma. And NDC government appreciate it. The president and his team, they appreciate it. And they are working on it. Enti enye sabi omo kasi eni adwuma o na sem ene ha me bubie. Na Kwame ye ka na enkrofo bi so ho na enkrofo bi amobrafo bi akromfo bi a sankanya se eye democracy mu ne wa enke binum ke du numa duonu enka yamse komko ne ya ka na omo ka bi ya ka hwase ya ka unemployment asema na MPP na obi tise na nabi aka ne ko ayirum seta monfa chami awie mpanimfo amotie. I'm so sorry, but this foolish boy MPP national organizer, this stupid boy, yeah, ka unemployment and no kabi. Yeah, ka na kodu ya kabi. Yeah, ka na MPP communicator 8 years when nya adwuma anya da. Na ono na o kabi 8 years so no nya adwuma. Omo committee na omo ko. Say aye na mo amfa ya adwuma. Na afwa enka wo ban 8 years ko afu adwuma. na kwa me he bome kwa me de enkra na me mo ni nyina de dodo
yedi kan amembo owura Ato Forson abaso onipa ye bia osayiye and before I eba beto aba no na komo bi kokokoko so na saa nkomo no na eyade a na utia wadwebe o se aban foforo eba na je asembe to yen kra hwese MPP fo ebe ka kire yen se enye se omu na ewa aban mu ena tumi no ewo mu side a ena ke ko aban foforo bi ti se Mahama ni NDC fo so a na ka by this time yen dollar no enenam 30 cedis $1 to cedi na ka cedi ne eyi no enam 30 cedis omu ka kire se omu me better managers of the economy nti no omu no metuma bibia yi nti no at the end of the day no we abenfo enne aban no esesa yi se nyina ya hu asem omu ka kire se omu pe ena omu betumi aye no Ato Forson ene Mahama bayi omu force ya masisi a ya husu insunsanso ababia aba bedu hwe Ghana fo no bebre unu omu di nkomo no a unam street ni mu a nkomo no nye se cedi yese dollar yese si omu kwa omu hu impact no bobie fu onu ukoto a uhu ni bo no bebia na eda no obi ani tua se eda yie ana enda yie cameraman you crash
yes enyo mo
enti was distracting me too much enti oh
yeah we fa chaye enyo mo
I mean guys say obusa camera mu asem we Solomon mini solo ba wakas so bia cancer oh ndemu akwere hwe
ya yi se adwuma ru akajo ya adwuma ru adwene se obe ya ye onye aja ya we ya di piaka oni mo faso bia we ene mitie Kojo Kyeremanteng na oni o shu monitor even say MPP after budget no communicators ne say no come say no o person who be a you very dishonest person very disingenuous the trait back on say on take responsibility that or accept say as if from so we there me na cause na say fi me woni made bi omo ye Kojo Kyeremanteng mo ya omo ka kire yen say omo ko no mu ja dollar no 14 omo ja no 14 omo ja no 14 no ma come refer say that no mo fi so no na ko check bank of Ghana rate and then the same thing NDC publish say and the rate no 10.9 ya o meka say there be kwa abochi ho ye ni kwa abochi ho no no say sa na mo ka che da na kwa abochi ho na 17 cedis any 18
and na ye to no enti mu megina no na on one hand no mu pese mu ko no na mu skill a fabricate ade no say 14 and na mu pese mu fa to ye so ti accept ba yes ye ka the reality na face si amuso da bi kwa abochi wo mu no more rate no the same thing if you look at how galamsey nsem a omsi galamsey the NDC buy pa and na agi nsem problem ni nyina de ye fa hye aban foforo ba papa wo mu ne de omu no mu engineer ye no mu ye plan no mu de hye egu akwan
na menue enye nwanwase obi a wantimi an qualify Black Star for African Cup Black Star qualify for World Cup was me nam ye we nipa we so more than more there
imagine say na mitie omu economists ni Kojo Kyeremanteng analysis bia omu ye say pumping dollar no say omu say BOG a strategy na or use the finance ministry a strategy omu use omu pumping dollar into the economy no enye sustainable enya dia because omu experiment ye enti no omu ye no na de no omu ye na ukopota what duty reduce fu obu akoso enye mabu akofo no iti ye ni hu ye usa okoto ufu ola se number of liters out on the swati na onu de ti a mo ka se nye sustainable mo time they engage in something we call senorage. Omu chichwa sika no, like omu ma BOG chichwa sika no. Na dollar no ba system ni mu sika na ye twa no omu yi ni cedi no a, no mu de ato dollar na ko good dem. It's all the time no, all the monies are na BOG pompe e dey say or they show up currency no, liquidity no. Omu nya de paper no ma twa cedi no e wo dem no ma ko sisa cedi no. No me better dollar no me jasika no and the man inflation skyrocket here. It's the ade amu here no because they needed the dollar for foreign investment in omo here. And them no ka say Uko Trust Bank e Gambia. Ken Ofori Atta na Ato. Ono any theven is saying Social Security Corporation and no the higher shareholders e the Trust Bank Gambia bank way the establishing July 3rd 1997 and they were going under. Ken Ofori Atta and the Koto Data Bank of Ghana only sa bank this any Ken Ofori Atta company yom Koto Liberia and then the Koto and the same dollar no it was a move oma manage you oma mismanage you e chrono any sikano draw from the system through the dollar exchange rate no and no the cedi dollar exchange way no and no and this are issues na ba and want to manage no because say nya chrono but one difference in say and this aban with scan upon pia ne officers appointees no obunya greedy ya omo mfum dollar no fa ko good dem edu baby obe connect scan dollar no ya pompe edigu profo politics mu na wo sila do pampo ya wia no 1 something million po o hu bobie well who see wia the dollar meanwhile no at the time no na omoko abotimu ne small forest for sure say omomu ton dollar momu ton cedi momu nyese meanwhile na sika no egu omo dem omo hode obekai mami ba ku your Flagstaff house no one day onu ane workers ofie omo koya mami no eda form 1 and 9 ki e bedroom onu mu mami ni tiatia momu nim de mami no omo koya sika dwure egu ne so sika dwuri egu ne so wodam this is a man yes sasika no na yi no that is what they did. It's dollar need to be you know enya hoden and then about papa ni enya so faswa and then these people of a sudden have transmogrified into some element of event saying special expert be and geniuses be like geniuses.
I want to say every before I'm strong in opposition. NDC can never be strong in opposition. There we saw the difference. Look, macro 88. They can hung over the whole parliament.
Because Saudi one be sound say about the center of a sudden mumu onya sa chen ya mo pese ade na moment wo de hwe yan fa school yan fa bibia to chen yan call in pragmatic and practical terms. And they say ade no ye de mawo ye de obaba beto mpa so ye de amawo 8 years say abrantie why no ho ade a fire adwuma the produce and mama ye why 8 years aso atopa aye the results bia obi aba no within 8 months no abon the papa na akola be pie mu ana say oba na for yefu a wo be kire say atopa next time no move and left and off and right sabi o say nyasafo nyina to aba e de man di sa hwa aka hwan mu
aka ngwasia
nyasafo boy papa no
wa yare wa dadam
Uji want me
it's annoying
like me a consultant be partner can be for some on my family nanka me mom advice or some of these things me na catch them say some of these things na trap mom wankasa they should stay away from the conversation and pretend it's SomeThing what's that
wow and can say MPP question them be 2 years kra
you know kasa kra
on your omunyai Ghana for Emma NDC na Ghana for no NDC for no kodru baby a Ghana for bo say no NDC we there this is not on answer no more be can be na we dey wo free dem wonum kan na wa go you apete se 4 am what that's what ya na be bo moto hu abebu ya so o ba ga bi ai dey
What's your economy?
Hwɛ sɛ Nigeria ɔmo ka kyerɛ obi sɛ obi ayɛ ɔmo voodoo. Nigeria o.
Nigeria say ayɛ ɔmo
si
voodoo.
Congo.
Ayɛ
ɔmo voodoo. Ɛde a qualify. Hwɛ MPP ɔmo ka kyerɛ obi sɛ ɔyɛ incompetent.
No, but we are free there. One general secretary. When yes, Kodia. As in the election, 2024 election, no, Bibi woman. What's the MP and a drill woman?
But the point is, how can you tell me say Ukra $70? Would you almost say even 14 ayate, 14 ayate. Oh, 4 in 2016 no. What about 3? What about 2?
No.
And that's how they call forward. What they call forward? Obi have finance what they are back down. We say we incompetent.
And say it was their gaze.
And you know the anointing. What's the they should have come to 8. Can you imagine?
I wait your friend saying, I mean Anta.
Obi Oji 4 now straight top 4, 5, 6. Look on. What's there? You know. What's it should have come to 8.
Say I mean Anta, he was the interim minister. Me ban me catch I mean Anta.
Oh, interim minister.
It's too man because interim minister because IMF 3 billion ban no. It's Ken Ofori Atta has already apportioned it. He was going to see a paper and sign. He can't do it. But we say, I am a Casa Chaminia. I'm not about criticizing Ato Forson on the J's by their estimation.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
I don't know why.
Can you imagine?
Utie Oma and the Kojo Kyeremanteng say, Omode, measures big Kwaku and yes, and commode, but we tell them who say Bayeti because no one say sustainable, but I dare no, and no crana. Just say assembly is all over the place. So incoherent.
Okay,
who has forced them?
In simple terms, Kojo Kyeremanteng catch say young 18, 19, 20. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Person just say sustainable. It's yeah.
Kojo Kyeremanteng prior to the election, what guy passed? He was no more talking again. What guy passed? Prior to the election, 2024 election, no. Let me say the man of August. No, he was silent. He wasn't happy as clueless. No, he wasn't happy at the housing ministry. Housing ministry. No, not
in the Kojo Kyeremanteng Nyansem no. They say 10 years sustainable.
Now, people say Kojo Kyeremanteng. Eya time for course you. That's some no kind say that time na dollar dey no shey.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.